So, hello, good morning everyone. So, myself, I am Jaya Badrinath. So, I am a master student in Hampshire Markallam, and today I will be talking about the design of an self-optimizing Industry 4.0 benchmark plant. So, this plant is actually a small-scale plant which we will be implementing in the Auxular. Um, basically, we all know what Industry 4.0 is. It's nothing but an advanced version of the revolutionization of the Industry 3.0. So in Industry 3.0, if you see, like the computers were introduced, in which the machines were controlled with the help of computers. But in Industry 4.0, the main goal is to so in Industry 4.0, the main goal is to autonomously decide the manufacturing process. So in simple words, we can say it has nothing but the digital transformation of the manufacturing process.
So keeping this in mind, we are designing and or mimicking an Industry 4.0 plant, which actually it's nothing but a bottle filling plant. So here we can see the CAD model of our Industry 4.0 plant, in which we have different modules. So I'll just give a brief introduction about all these modules which we'll be using in the plant. So the first module, if we see, it's an ASRS system. So it's an automated storage and retrieval system. So in the plant, as you can see, it's not complete. It's just the CAD model from which I'll try to explain. And so this is the storage rack. And here we will be having the automated storage and retrieval system. So this system will take up the empty water bottles from the storage rack and place it onto a conveyor. So here you can see the conveyor. Yeah, here you can see the conveyor on which the empty bottles will be placed. After which it will be moving to a barcode scanning system. So why do we have a barcode scanning system? So as soon as an order is placed, for example, when a customer places an order for a special type of liquid which he wants. So when this order is placed, and the production system has to autonomously decide like what type of method it has to follow to satisfy the customer needs. So in order to do this, we are making use of the barcode scanning technology, where a barcode will be fixed onto a bottle, empty bottle, and all the data related to the customers will be stored onto this barcode, and it will be used throughout the process. So for this purpose, we use the barcode scanning system. So the conveyor band is for moving the empty bottles from the starting point to the ending point. So here we have a Festo fluid plant. So this Festo fluid plant, it's actually a mini workstation which has two containers. We can fill it with two different liquids. It has an inbuilt sensors to monitor the level, and also it has inbuilt control valves. So as a whole, it's a small workstation which is used to fill different liquids. So after which we have the quality control station. So the quality control station will be used for measuring whether the actual requirement of the customer is being fulfilled or not. For example, if a customer wants the liquid, for example, we can say like a liquid A of 50% and liquid B of 50%. So this quality control station will decide whether it actually satisfy the customer need or not. So here we will make use of two different methods to control the quality. One will be the weight measurement, and another will be the color detection. So color detection will use image processing to check whether the actual color has been matched or not, and the weight will be to decide whether the liquid being filled is correctly equal to the customer requirement. So after this, we will be moving on to the capping station. Yeah, here is the capping station. So in the capping station, since the bottles will be filled after it passes on to the quality control area, the bottles will be fixed with caps, and after which it will move to the warehouse. So this is the entire process flow of the Industry 4.0 plant. So as I discussed, like it's an autonomous production system. So what happens here is we have to make use of various data which we get. So for this purpose, we'll be using the cloud computing system in which all the data is related to the barcode or the type of customer requirement, everything will be stored and used. And for now, our progress is we have finished with the basic design, and we have purchased some of our components, and we are in the developing stage of this project. So I will also like to explain the technical specification of the modules which are being used. So the ASRS system is a 5 degree of freedom robot arm which will be used to pick up the bottles from the storage rack, and the controller which we will be using is Arduino Mega. And the conveyor band, it has an automatic speed control, and the controller which we will be using for this will be Siemens. And the Festo workstation, it has an inbuilt controller, but we are trying to use it another controller to control the fluid plant. And we'll be also having a overall master PLC which is from Beckhoff. And at the end, once the bottles are capped, the Egus robot is used to pick up the bottles and place it onto a warehouse robot. And for image processing, we will be using the Raspberry Pi Cam. So at present, this is the setup which we have, and it's a small demonstration of the existing setup in the lab. So this is the progress which we have made till now. So in the big picture, if you see, in order to satisfy the Industry 4.0 plan, it will be actually a goal-oriented production system. So where the goal of the production will be passed, and based on which the final product will be expected. So this is the big picture of the Industry 4.0 benchmark plant. So this is our team. Thank you.